Welcome back to my second market review video. If you were here for the last one, we went over a couple of situations on Bitcoin and ETH, and today we capitalized on that. So if you were here for the last one, we talked about how we've been building all this value on Bitcoin and we've been chopping around for a while, and now when we finally get that break above, not to fade and to go with that break. So we got that. So we got that 30-minute candle close above, and then I looked for that retest, and on this red candle right here, I waited for it to close before entering. I just hit a market order right there and targeted the 90-day rolling VWAP as stated in the previous video. So we got that done, and that was the screenshot about that. So on ETH as well, talked about the same thing. I waited for the previous month value area high to get taken, to get reclaimed, and then I entered market, stop below, targeting the next contextual level, which was the Q3 value area low, and then we got that as well. So that's that. Moving forward though, as things progress, I kind of want to see this VWAP cluster hold if we're supposed to expand into 100,000. So I kind of want to see some of this, like this, something like that, something messy, something just so we get above this VWAP, and then I think we could hit the 365-day VWAP. But I wouldn't be surprised if we start to unwind a little bit and head down for a retest. Now personally, I don't want to see this low. I don't want to see Bitcoin retest the 8-week value area high, because at that point I think we're going to slice right through. Why would we give everybody a perfect entry, right? So if Bitcoin is truly bullish, I think we should have shallow and short pullbacks. So if we do accept above 90-day, maybe I take a scalp into 100,000, at which point this is like the big bad VWAP, the big bad value. So at this point, we need to see daily closes above, and if we can reclaim previous yearly VWAP, then we're bullish back into the high 100s. So that's pretty simple. I think either we reclaim 100,000 or we head right back down, but it's pretty simple going into Bitcoin for the rest of the week. So in terms of ETH, same thing pretty much. If this Q3 VWAP can hold, I would take a long back into maybe 3,500. I don't really have a specific point on where I want to see it go, but I'll take something, maybe a 3-to-1 risk reward kind of trade. Conversely, acceptance below 90-day, probably heading back lower. I think my bullish line in the sand would be the 8-week. Still haven't changed this. I need to change that, or the previous month. So I would want to see this hold. Same thing on Bitcoin. If it does hold, that would be great. Something like this, if it does hold, that would be great. But I also, again, don't want to see prices dropping that low. So that's pretty much it. We got the wins today, so I'm not going to overtrade or anything. I'm going to keep it simple going into tomorrow.